Well, traditionally, you think of chiropractic, oh, I threw my back out or I threw my neck out. Of course, it helps with those things. But did you know that by getting adjusted, you can also increase your immune system? Because what happens is, as you're living your day-to-day life, you come across different stresses. So there's toxins that you come across every day. There's physical stress, and then there's also emotional stress. As these stresses take a toll on your body, your immune system gets broken down. But with chiropractic care, what we do is we stimulate the nervous system and allow your body to fight things that are trying to get in, thus enhancing your immune system. So if you are looking to improve your health and well-being, give us a call at 801-546-0114 or look us up online at www.fordfamchiro.com.